7 profitable business ideas under 60 lakhs 75 lakhs. Unleash your entrepreneurial potential. Hello, future industrialists. Are you considering starting your own manufacturing business but concerned about the initial costs? Don't worry. This video reveals 7 amazing business ideas that you can start with an investment of 60 to 75 lakhs in plant and machinery. These opportunities are not only thrilling but also offer great market potential. What I do: accessible entry point. This investment level is ideal as it allows a diverse group of entrepreneurs, including those with limited starting capital, to enter the manufacturing industry. Consistent market demand. These businesses serve markets with steady and often increasing demand, providing a robust customer base and the potential for reliable revenue. Expansion opportunities. These enterprises have significant potential for growth. As the business establishes itself, there is scope to scale up production, diversify product lines, and capture more market share. Simplified operations. Many of these businesses utilize local raw materials, which reduces dependence on foreign imports and simplifies supply chain management. Government incentives. The Indian government offers strong support for the manufacturing sector with various programs and initiatives, offering significant advantages to new ventures. Now, let's dive into the 7 project options. E-commerce fulfillment solutions overview. With the booming online shopping industry, setting up an e-commerce fulfillment center is a lucrative opportunity. Investment rationale. Low entry barriers and high demand for logistics solutions. Market insight. The global e-commerce market is projected to grow significantly, increasing the need for efficient fulfillment services. Arabic gum production overview. Arabic gum, used in various industries such as food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetics. Investment rationale. High margin product with growing demand in both domestic and international markets. Market insight. With increasing health awareness, the demand for natural and functional food ingredients like Arabic gum is surging. Hot melt adhesives for corrugation board overview. Essential for the packaging industry, hot melt adhesives are crucial for making corrugated boards. Investment rationale. Direct correlation with the packaging sector's growth, driven by e-commerce and manufacturing. Market insight. The global adhesives market is experiencing robust growth, fueled by advancements in packaging technology. Dehydrated onion manufacturing overview. Dehydrated onions are widely used in fast food, snacks, specialty foods, etc. Investment rationale. Continuously expanding fast food industry and export potential. Market insight. With the rise in convenience food consumption, the market for dehydrated onions is expected to expand. Floral foam manufacturing overview. Used by florists for arrangements, floral foam is an integral part of the decorative industry. Investment rationale. Steady demand due to consistent need in decorations, events, and floral art. Market insight. The floriculture industry is growing, increasing the need for supplies like floral foam. Paper cartons manufacturing overview. Paper cartons are fundamental to packaging needs across various sectors. Investment rationale. The push towards sustainable packaging solutions enhances the appeal of paper-based options. Market insight. With environmental concerns, there's a shift from plastic to paper in packaging, significantly growing the paper carton market. Recovery of lead overview. Recovering lead from used batteries and other sources is not only profitable but also environmentally beneficial. Investigation rationale. Supports the recycling industry and mitigates the environmental impact of lead disposal. Market insight. The increasing emphasis on sustainable practices in industries boosts the need for lead recovery services. Market outlook. The manufacturing sector in India is on the brink of substantial expansion, and the international market also offers extensive opportunities. By strategically positioning your business in line with these trends, you can set up your venture for enduring success. Cost considerations. While the plant and machinery investment falls within the 60 to 75 lakh range, the total project cost can vary depending on factors like land, manpower, and raw materials. Conclusion. These 7 business ideas are not only financially lucrative but also strategically positioned to meet current and future market demands. With an initial investment ranging from 60 to 75 lakh rupees in plant and machinery, these industries provide a well-defined route to profitability and market entry. Particularly in a dynamic and expanding economy such as India's, where access to both domestic and international markets is feasible, these manufacturing enterprises offer significant returns and sustained growth. Ready to become a manufacturing mogul? Carry out detailed market research tailored to your selected concept, draft a robust business plan, and utilize the resources offered by the government. With commitment and strategic planning, you can transform your manufacturing vision into a successful enterprise. Are you prepared to embark on your path to becoming a prosperous entrepreneur? Select any of these sectors and begin constructing your business empire. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable business insights and advice. Feel free to leave any questions or the business idea you're curious about in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more business insights and startup strategies. See you in the next video. Best of luck in building your manufacturing empire.